Hey, good day. My name is Owen John. I'm an agent at ERA Top Service Real Estate, and this is my website, www.realtorowen.com. And what I'm showing you right now is a search filter that I created, which allows you to search for open houses in Queens. So basically, as you can see kind of on the map here, this is a map layout of Queens. Here's Brooklyn also. And the properties that you see here are represented by these dots on the map. So if you want to see what available open houses there are coming up for this week, when it comes to the weekend, it'll only show you the houses that are available on the weekend. If you see any properties that you're interested in, just click on this button, contact agent, and that will allow you to then send me a message, let me know that you're interested in that specific property. You can either give me a call or you can fill out an email. Thank you for your time and have a good day.